What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today I am heading to the forest. I got a new tent to try out, cooking some real good food. So stay tuned, I'll see you there. So my plans didn't turn out the way I wanted them. The first place I went to, the forest was closed. No camping, big sign. So I drove about 6 miles to the next one, and they were paving the road to get into there. So finally I drove another 7 miles, and here I am, Chautaqua Gorge Forest. So running a little late start and everything, but let's get it on the ball. I had to start it over there because it's so windy. So we are doing something different tonight. We're going to have breakfast for dinner. We're going to have some bacon, some potatoes with onions, some eggs, and some grits. We're using some chili infused extra virgin olive oil. Alright, we got some bacon on now. That's enough. You have to cut. Don't break. Breakfast for dinner. And there's our eggs. I put them over my grits. Alright, time for the taste test. Oh, the grits came out so good. Fried potatoes. We all know bacon is good no matter what. Would you look at this crazy little raccoon coming over to me? That is delicious. If you like French press coffee, this AeroPress, this thing is the greatest. Very lightweight. Little filters are on the bottom here. It's too hot right now to take off, but nothing like the first cup of coffee.